So in this tutorial, we'll learn about how artificial intelligence is applied on different industries and its potential in different industries. AI offers a wide range of solutions for various industries and it revolutionizes the different industries. It is a very important tool or a technology to be helping the businesses to grow, become more efficient and innovate. So let's look at some of the points in different sectors. In healthcare, AI-powered diagnostics tools can be used for early detection of diseases and personalized treatment recommendations based on the patient data and the medical research. Drug discovery and development through computational methods. We have powerful computers and algorithms can use these algorithms for development of new drugs, and remote patient monitoring, predictive analysis. So this helps in providing medical health care for even remote areas where there is no possibility to go or have doctors in remote areas. So these are some of the positive benefits of healthcare, where we can use diagnostic tools for early detection based on the patient's data and also other patients' data. So this data can be analyzed by the AI algorithms, which is basically a piece of software which basically reads all this data and then gives you suggestions. So this is one aspect of AI which can be used in healthcare. So fraud detection in finance industry, it can be used for fraud detection and prevention using machine learning algorithms, and algorithmic trading for analyzing market trends and making investment decisions. Customer service automation through chatbots and virtual assistants, and risk assessment and credit scoring for loan approval. So basically, it's huge amount of data which is in the finance industry can be used to analyze some of the future market trends, or the chatbots can be used to provide good customer service even when there are not people working in the office. Then the risk assessment can also be done to prevent future risks. So these are some of the things which is key for finance industry. So in retail sector, personalized recommendations for product-based customer behavior and preferences. This you would have already seen in Amazon, or when you're searching, then the system gives you different products in different prices. Inventory management organization using predictive analysis. So prediction is used with your inventory, that is the stocks you have. Depending on that, it analyzes how much we need to order more, and so that we don't have to stock up more or less, we just stock what is needed. And supply chain optimization to minimize costs and reduce inefficiencies, and customer service automation through chatbots can be used for customer service and understand the customer requirements, which runs 24 hours. And supply chain optimization is also a key for giving, and the stocking can be also optimized. You don't have to buy more or keep stock more, which also reduces space and the cost of maintaining these inventories. In manufacturing sector, predictive maintenance to reduce equipment downtime, optimize maintenance schedules, and quality control using computer vision and image recognition, autonomous robots for assembly and material handling tasks, and supply chain automation optimization for streamlined production and logistics. So basically, predictive maintenance means you can put different sensors in the whole machinery and then look at the health of each of the components, and this data can be read back and given into a machine learning or AI algorithm to optimize and predict how when a specific component can go down. So this saves time. So you know that it might be gone in another 2 months, then you order the spare parts and keep ready, so that once it goes down, then you can fix it. Quality control using computer vision, image recognition. This is something used already in a lot of industries, where they use cameras to detect some faulty products, or faulty, like if you're producing some products, it could be even vegetables, or which can find the defect vegetables, or which are not good, or a product which can be analyzed with image recognition, and this data can also be stored for future analysis. Autonomous robots, you see nowadays in a lot of industries, they are using robots for assembling the cars, or moving things from one place to other. So this also in a manufacturing industries plays a huge role. And supply chain automation optimization is also a key in which makes a efficient logistics process. And these are the key points for the manufacturing industry. So in transportation, we have autonomous vehicles for safer and efficient transportation. We have the electric cars. So since we have a battery, it all we can put a computer in it, and then everything is run by the algorithms. Like in Tesla, we have this many of the artificial intelligence functionalities inside it. Traffic management system using real-time data for predictive analysis. That is, this data could be used to predict if there's a traffic jam going to happen, depending on the traffic in a specific area coming in and going out. This data can be analyzed quickly by the algorithms and giving you a good traffic management system. Fleet optimization for logistics to reduce fuel consumption and delivery time. So there are a lot of rent a car or renting companies. So they also have a lot of data which could be read by the algorithm, and then depending on the demand and supply, they can optimize the delivery time and hence reduce fuel consumption or storage issues. Predictive maintenance for transportation and infrastructure such as railways and bridges. This is again, it's all about data. You have the data is accumulated, and then you can make a predictive maintenance. That is, predictive maintenance means like when a thing can happen. So this can be analyzed depending on the historical data, and then giving the railways and bridges a good analysis so that things could be analyzed and predicted beforehand and cleared up earlier. In education, personalized learning experience tailored to individual student needs, intelligent tutoring systems for adaptive learning and feedback, an automated grading system for assignments and exams, and predictive analytics to identify at-risk students and provide early intervention. You know, ChatGPT, it writes a lot of essays and quizzes and all your homeworks. But there are also other systems which basically could be using the ChatGPT and giving you a personalized learning, a system where ChatGPT is in the background or any other AI system is in the background, and the student could be tutored with this whole system. It just has to be modified a little bit so that the student can be taught in a specific way, not to abuse the whole AI to just get the things and get the answers. Instead of that, use the AI to teach the student. An intelligent tutoring system is what it means, so that it could be interactive, and also the performance of the students can be documented so that then it trains itself and then provides appropriate teaching methods and different teaching methods, and it also predict how much the student has learned and how much the student could be getting a specific mark, and also analyze at-risk students to provide early intervention so that we can save the lives of the students and their future. So in marketing and advertising, targeted advertising campaigns based on customer segmentation, behavior analysis, sentiment analysis to understand the public opinion and brand perception, content generation optimization using natural language processing algorithms, and marketing automation for lead generation, nurturing, and conversion. So here marketing means basically you detect a specific customer segment using the data which you get in your website. If you have an e-commerce website, you'll be accumulating a lot of data, so you can analyze how much a customer is in a specific area, what he is looking for, and all these data can be analyzed. And sentiment analysis is something when a customer just comes to a product and quickly goes away, then that's a sentiment which the algorithm can detect to say that he's not much interested in that area. And if you detect that in that specific module all the customers are coming and quickly going away, then you have to work around it. So these sort of things can be analyzed if there's a huge demand on a specific product. And natural language processing is also where you process the different language algorithms. Market automation for lead generation. So depending on all the data how the customer uses your website, you can generate new leads and new offers if there's a high demand product on a specific area. These are some of the points which could be used in marketing and advertising. In energy sector, smart grid optimization for efficient energy distribution and consumption, predictive maintenance of power plants, renewable energy, infrastructure, energy demand forecasting using machine learning, and optimization of energy production from renewable sources like wind and solar. Basically, here the concept is you put a lot of sensors, acquire a lot of data, and then you can make a predictive analysis of for optimizing the whole system. That's the basic idea of in this system also. Basic some of the quick go through on different industries applications. So it's basically about data. So any industry where it has huge data, artificial intelligence can come in and grab that data and perform analysis on that and give you insights. And not only that, it can give you insights, and based on the future data it could learn and then improve itself and give you more accurate analysis. For example, you should have used ChatGPT, how it gives you specific questions, it gives you the answers exactly what you need. It's just the tip of the iceberg, and then once the system learns more and more, it becomes better in answering your questions. And that's the power of artificial intelligence. There are a lot of things which we could discuss, but it's just a short go through on different applications of in different industries. Look at my other courses also. Do leave a feedback, and if you have any other topics of interest, do put it in the Q&A or in the feedback so that I can get back to you. Thank you.